How to lose weight in 30 days. A comprehensive guide introduction. Losing weight can be a challenging yet rewarding journey. With the right approach, you can achieve noticeable results in just 30 days. This guide will provide you with essential tips, strategies, and a plan to help you shed those extra pounds safely and effectively. Setting realistic goals define your target weight. Start by determining how much weight you want to lose. A realistic goal is to aim for 1 to 2 pounds per week, which means a loss of 4 to 8 pounds in 30 days is achievable. Create a timeline. Outline your weight loss journey. Plan weekly check-ins to assess your progress and make adjustments as needed. Nutrition. The key to weight loss: balanced diet. Focus on eating a balanced diet that includes fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings daily. Lean proteins include chicken, turkey, fish, beans, and legumes. Whole grains. Choose brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain bread. Portion control. Be mindful of your portion sizes. Use smaller plates, measure servings, and listen to your body's hunger cues to avoid overeating. Reduce processed foods. Limit your intake of processed and high-sugar foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods that offer more nutrients and fewer empty calories. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 cups, 2 liters daily, and consider drinking a glass of water before each meal to reduce hunger. Exercise. Move to lose. Establish a routine. Incorporate both cardio and strength training exercises into your routine. Cardio workouts. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity weekly, e.g., brisk walking, running, cycling. Daily activity. Increase your daily activity level by incorporating simple changes such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking or cycling instead of driving for short trips, incorporating short bursts of activity throughout your day. Mindful eating. Practice mindfulness. Be present during meals. Slow down, chew your food thoroughly, and savor every bite. This can help you recognize when you're full and reduce overeating. Keep a food journal. Track what you eat in a journal. This can help identify patterns, trigger foods, and provide accountability, making it easier to stick to your goals. Sleep and stress management. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones related to hunger, increasing cravings and reducing motivation to exercise. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques, such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. High stress levels can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Monitor your progress. Weekly check-ins. Weigh yourself weekly to track your progress. Keep in mind that weight can fluctuate due to various factors, so look for overall trends rather than day-to-day changes. Adjust as needed. If you're not seeing results, reassess your diet and exercise routine. Make necessary adjustments, but ensure changes are sustainable and healthy. Stay motivated. Find a support system. Share your weight loss journey with friends or family. Join support groups or participate in online communities to stay motivated and accountable. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This can reinforce positive behavior and keep you motivated. Consider non-food rewards like new workout gear or a spa day. Conclusion. Losing weight in 30 days is possible with dedication, planning, and a balanced approach to nutrition and exercise. Remember, the goal is to create sustainable habits that will benefit your long-term health. Stay committed, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.